tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright.
This was one of the best homestays in Lidang. They were very friendly and made us feel like home. So Lidang will come 10 to 15 minutes before Kaza. That's where we were staying. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're now watching episode 7 of the Arunachal and Spiti travel series. So episode 6 released last week, where I showed the places to visit in Nako and Tabu. So please go and check it out. So the plan for the day was to explore Kaza. We were going to Langza, Chicham Bridge and then Key Monastery. In Kaza, you will also see the world's highest petrol bunk. If you're looking to fill fuel here, there is always a queue, so please come early. The petrol bunk opens around 9 am, but it takes 1 to 2 hours to get the machines running due to the extreme temperatures.
sunshine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Well, the next stop was Chicham Bridge, which is at a staggering height of 13,596 feet, which connects two villages named Chicham and Kibber. Look down this one and you will find yourself gapping below at 1,000 feet deep gorge. The making of this bridge cuts down the journey from Kibber to Losar by 40 kilometers. Asia's highest bridge was constructed over a course of 15 years and was inaugurated in 2017. it was someone's birthday in the group, and Uncia Trails along with the homestay very thoughtfully arranged for a cake.
मेरा नाम साइरस दारूवाला।
तो मेरा साइरस चकने वाला।
हैप्पी बर्थडे लोग बोलते नहीं के आज जन्मदिन मनावता। हैप्पी बर्थडे बोला लोगन।
अरे बोलो सर बोलो सर।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू करिया। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू करिया। दलिया तो मत कहो।
This brings us to the end of episode 7. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit that bell notification.